Yeah, I got hit niggas sick that I'm still here. I'm still on the hill.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to record on my phone because I did forget my SD card in my laptop when I came out here. As soon as I turn on the DJI, it told me I ain't got no SIM card. So hopefully this comes out good. But we got a little car meet.
Yeah, I mean, it was a cool car. You only had it for a little.
First time seeing a little G90 BMW. Got carbon ceramic brakes on it.
I agree. Generation before
I definitely like this better than the M2. Got a little F80 out here. Damn, this is a nice car. I don't know if this is like a Miami blue or what blue it is. I don't know much about the BMW's individual colors.
I want to, but I don't know.
Definitely a beautiful color. BBS is on it. M5. Definitely a nice combination with the brown. The brown with the green to give it like a heritage type look. Which, if I had got my car in 2023 or 2024 when it was last making them or making the jailbreaks, I would have did B5 blue with the white and black interior with brown seatbelts to give like a heritage type look inside the interior. That definitely would have looked perfect. That's a bike. Tri-car, got some Belgian wheels on there. Another F80. Definitely some unique wheels. Nice orange interior. This is probably the first F80 I see with the carbon fiber bucket seats inside of it. Don't quote me. I think this is an E96 BMW.
Right next to the netting.
Definitely would like one of these. If I had to replace my Hellcat, I'd probably get one of these because these sound nasty with the V8 in it.
And then I gotta go do
Mark 5 Supra over there. Blue F80. Golly. All these BMW with these BBSs on there. Seen this guy Clean Culture and Filthy Edition. Another BBSs. Some Type R's. So we got this Tesla Slam. SSRs. I was thinking about putting SSRs on my car, even though you don't see too many people. I seen one Charger, or Chrysler 300, one of those two, with SSRs on them, and they don't look bad. It was like an older Charger, and it didn't look bad. I was thinking about getting these, but something coming soon. As you guys know, too much power, spending too much. New Mustang. Got a little Pro Charge on this Corvette. Lamborghini Tecno. Lamborghini Tecno. Aston Martin, like a Miami blue color. Got a little nice little Porsche. Definitely a nice color on this Porsche. Got a GT500. And this is the first time seeing this neon green color. I don't know if it's RAP or OEM. And there's a port for Montega. Got an F80. Like a dark purple. This is the first time I've seen a G80 convertible. To be honest, it don't look bad. In videos and pictures, they don't look that good. They probably don't look that good with the convertible on, but off. They should have made a hardtop version. If they had made a hardtop version, this probably would have sold a lot more, like how the older BMW was. But definitely, this looks good. M2. I think they're coming out with a CS version sooner or later. Standard S2000. Damn. Evo 9. This joint is mint. I don't see one scratch mark, no dent, no nothing. The interior's in decent condition and everything. Damn. The new Dark Horse. It's like Ruby Star, probably. And that's a nice ass green too. G80 driver gray. Got a Ferrari. I think it's a Scuderia. It's like Ruby Star, probably. And that's a nice ass green too. G80 driver gray. Got a Ferrari. I think it's a Scuderia. GC3 RS. Got a little R33 GTR.
Oh, you're talking about it, RBR.
Big ass turbo on it. Alright guys, so we got this Challenger. This is the first Challenger I seen a convertible of. And also stick. I was just talking to the owner. He said he had got this sent out to Florida, got it done. It was like $2,500 for the option. But he said it's probably like the first one, probably the only one, a manual convertible, which I have not seen yet. I haven't seen any convertible. And I never knew they came manual. These new generation came manual. Alright guys, got my car here. Came down with a couple of my friends. For Supra Z06. Damn, this clean. They're leaving now. They're probably gonna be heading to the next car meet. We might head to another car meet. Evo 10.
So if I get the LX, I want to do LEKCY5.
Bronco. This is a crazy build. Somebody took a Challenger and make it look like the old one. As you guys can see.
Anything.
How you get your foot on the wheel?
Just shipped it with her heel.
Little Audis over there. And a 6.
Guys like, no.
M2, C8, Lotus.
I never know.
Javanti. Ranger doors. SF90. EMGT Blackwing. Off-road joint. MC20 Maserati.
We get one from here, Florida.